Some of the highest performing explainer videos ever made use stick figures. And they're not just for whiteboards anymore. One of the simplest tricks that still blows people's minds is how easy it is to make a video like this for free. And Canva's surprisingly powerful when it comes to building Stickman videos that are actually expressive and tell a story too. In this video, I'll show you how to create your own storytelling stick figure movie machine, even using a free Canva account. Let's get to it. Alright, so to start this process, I first come to ChatGPT where I've entered this prompt. I want to create a motivational or inspirational video about 30 seconds long. I asked it to give me some ideas, and it did. After reading them all, I decided which one I liked best. If it didn't give me any usable ideas, I could have asked for more, but I liked a few of these, especially this one, so I chose it. After I made a few edits, I was ready to go to the next step, which is to record a voiceover for it. So let's do that now. Okay, so it's time to record my voiceover. Today, I'm using this free tool. You can Google this. Once you get in here, you'll start out at the home screen here, and then you'll look for this, turn text into audio. Once you get to a page that looks like this, then you can choose single or multi voices. I'll choose single. Put your information up here. Next, I'm going to change the style instructions a little bit. I'll add my text from ChatGPT here. Then I need to choose a voice, so I'll click here where you can see the different ones. If you click on the triangles, you can actually listen to the voice, whichever one you want. Once you decide on the voice, click the name. The next thing you'll need to do is click right on Run to start the recording. All right, it's done. This is the actual recording down here. If you want to hear it, click here. If you want to change the volume, you can do that there, but if you want to download it, you click right here. Okay, now we're ready to go to the next step. Okay, so now I'm in Canva. This is a free account. You can tell is because it's asking me to upgrade, so the first thing I'm going to do is go to video. You can choose whichever format you're interested in, mobile or whatever, but I'm going to choose landscape. Alright, and then once I get in here, you can see it's telling me I'm in the new video editor, right? But if I wanted to switch, I can do that. The first thing I want to do is drag in the audio I just made here a few seconds ago. I'll drag it in here, and now Canva is putting it right there. Then I'll take this and put it right down here. I'm also going to click here for now. I'll add a blank and just drag it out like that. I'm going to make it just a little bit longer than this. So now I've got my narration added here. Great. The next thing I'll do is come up here and make it a little bit louder so it's easier to hear. I'm also going to click right here. Now you see you can zoom the page. Watch this. If you pull this, it's going to make that bigger. That's not really what I want. So if I'll click here at the bottom, now it'll make this bigger, and that's what I need. I want to be able to see this a little bit better. So I'll pull this back over here like that, and now I'll go to Elements and search for backgrounds because I'm looking for something like a folded paper or something like that. I'll go to Graphics and look through here and see if I can find the paper idea I have in mind. Since I'm using a free account, I would not use these graphics with the crown on it. These are for paid accounts only. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to listen to the video, and every time there's a pause when the narrator is talking, I'm going to make a cut here on this really long page and break it up into sections. So let me show you what I mean. When the voice stops, I'll right-click on it, the page, and hit Split. Or you could type S key on your keyboard. Just watch me as I work through the whole video. Okay, so now it's all broken up into separate scenes. If I were you, I'd listen to it a few times just to make sure everything is correct. But I do think I'm going to change that background. I don't like it. So let's try paper crumpled. Yeah, I like that one. Okay, let's get rid of the old one. I like this one much better. So I'll put that there and spread it out. Yeah, that'll work. Now I need to go to Elements and look for stick figures to match the story. Remember, don't use the ones that have the crown if you're on the free plan. How about if I click on this one? If you want to use art by the same designer as this one, click here, and let's see if this person has some more Stickman figures. Ah, there we go. That's what I wanted. All right, so now I can choose whichever figures that I want, and I'm just gonna keep just the plain old black and white. So we'll just listen to the story and then pick one of these drawings according to what is happening in the narration. I'll put this here so that it lines up with that. Okay, so now all these are in here, so let's go back here and let's watch it. I think I'll add a few little animations. I'll click on this one, click on animate, click on the B, then I'll have it running across like that. Yeah, that's good. And there you go. One thing we could do to make this even more interesting, since the graphics are good, I could go back to the script and maybe add in some words occasionally to add more emphasis here. Okay, so let's back out of this for now, and I'll go to text and change the font to something a little more interesting. Yeah, that's better. So here's the narration, this foundation layer, the background, all the little images, and an overlay. There we go. All right, so we'll take this one for now. We're just going to duplicate it, and we'll put it right here. And we will go here and put that a little closer together, like that. Change the timing, we'll shrink that just a little bit, and I will add a little bit of an animation. I'm going to blur it in so it doesn't just pop in so abruptly. All right, let's go back here. Okay, so if you like that and you're done, the next thing you need to do is come up here to Share, click on Download, make sure MP4 is chosen, and then click Download. And now it's downloading it for us. So as soon as it's done, you can upload it to your social media, your website, basically wherever you're going to use it. The good thing about these kind of videos is that you can also use them in all kinds of different styles. So it could be something motivational, inspirational, educational, you name it. But these kinds of videos work well in a lot of different areas, subjects, and niches. Lastly, if you wanted to make it even more exciting, you could add all kinds of sounds, music, and more. I hope you have fun making these Stickman videos for yourself.
Picture future you, calmer, stronger, proud. They're looking back at this moment. This is where everything starts. Do one small thing today. Not perfect, just forward. And let future you say, thank you.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.